Hello po, sa Ermita branch. Last week SOP namin is 8. Una is yung mystery tote bag giveaway. Na valid po siya until October 31. Next naman po is full sublimation services na available po dito sa store. And then yung ating embroidery services. Na available sa ating store. And next naman po is yung clearance sales alert namin na sports jug po na 200 pesos only. Yan po. And then yung ating glass gradient mug na pwedeng pang giveaway. And yung ating ball pen. And mga recognition plaque po. And visor cup. Yan po yung mga SOP namin for this week po.